Welcome to a new series of videos that I'm going to do, which are going to be about the instrument you see in the centre of your screen here, which is the Megger MTR105 rotating machine tester. And I've had this instrument for around about 6 months now, so it's seen a few tests and done a little bit of work, and I've thought long and hard how I'm going to show the meter, and I've decided that I'm going to test it in comparison with the instruments on either side of it, which is namely the Keysight U1461A and the Gossen Metrawatt MetraHit Coil. A couple of reasons why I've chosen those instruments. The first is that's Keysight's top of the range instrument in regard to insulation testers, and as an insulation tester it performs quite well against the Megger unit in terms of specification. The MetraHit Coil is Gossen Metrawatt's version of a motor testing instrument, and that has a unique coil interturn testing feature on there that will be quite good to look at against what the Megger offers as part of a machine testing instrument. The secondary aspect is actually the price. So in the UK, this instrument will set you back £1,700. So quite a investment really for someone or a company to make just for testing motors. The Keysight, that's around about £976 in the UK, and the MetraHit is around about £759. Now these prices are the recommended retail price for the UK, not including any VAT, so that's just its basic price. And if you do the sums, you'll see that I can just about get the Keysight and the MetraHit Coil for the price of the MTR105. So in theory you'd hope that both those instruments together should be able to do pretty much what the Megger instrument should do. Over the next few videos I'll investigate that and just see how good those two instruments will be against the performance of the Megger. For the rest of this video I'm just going to quickly go through what you get with each of the instruments. So I zoomed in a little bit with the Keysight. You get the hard case. That's a moulded unit with plenty of compartments in there for each of the accessories and the meter itself. So you get this remote probe with the control button on it, and that will work with either of these probes and also with the little extension unit that can extend these probes to give you a bit more reach. A set of silicon test leads, standard 4mm connectors for use with probes there. The probes you get GS38 compliant ones with regards to the insulation, but no fusing, and an uninsulated set. And to go with those is also a set of crocodile clips. A couple of thermocouples arrive with it. That's a K-type, the yellow one, and I think this one's a J-type. And then finally you get this Bluetooth adapter here that plugs into the back of the instrument and allows you to connect to a computer. So we'll move on to the Gossen Metrawatt because that's very quick and simple. What you see in front of it is what you get, these three instruments here. This does not arrive with a case. It arrives in a cardboard box, so obviously that gets damaged very easily and doesn't last very long. So you're just left with the instrument and its holster, the interturn coil test adapter unit, and a set of leads. These leads actually have the moulded probes on the end, but you can take the cap off, and you've got a 4mm adapter in there, so you could use some crocodile clips or whatever with it, but they don't actually come with the unit. That's all you get. And finally, what you get with the Megger MTR105. This comes in a soft case that houses all of these accessories along with the meter. Obviously there's the meter there, and you get a T-type temperature probe. That's a surface temperature probe. Set of silicon test leads. Yet again, these are standard 4mm connectors on the end. Set of long reach probes. Set of these, instead of crocodile clips, they've got this style grippers for use with the instrument. And then there is a strap here that is just a hanging strap. It's non-magnetic, it's just got a little plastic clip and velcro for looping around something. You get a set of Kelvin leads for the 4-wire measurements that this unit is capable of doing, and finally you get the little USB stick for downloading the data. Okay, that's it for this video. I'm going to try and keep the video short and bite-sized into little chunks. So the next one, I'm going to look at the accessories a little bit more in depth and compare them predominantly to the Keysight unit. Thanks for watching. I hope you found it useful, and you're looking forward to the rest of the videos, and I will see you again soon.